In this video, I'll show you how to create a PDF file on a Samsung phone. So we're going to convert this image into a PDF file. As you can see right now, it is a JPG. So to create a PDF, you simply press on the image or document that you want to convert, and in the top right, press on these three dots, and then you want to come down and press on print. So that'll bring up this menu, and in the top right you'll have an arrow that might say all printers. So if you press on that, you'll also get the option to save it as a PDF. So press on this yellow button just here and select a folder in which you want to save it to. So press done. So now if I open up my files, we can see that this is now a PDF. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.